So, Bronco owners love to customize their Broncos, and when JP from Workville said he was going to come visit, I knew you guys were going to bring us something cool, and you absolutely did. Tell us about these new taillights.
Thanks, Bill. So the biggest complaint from the off-road community is that the factory taillights just stick out way too far. These become a huge target for branches and rocks when off-roading. So we created a flush mount taillight that is 100% flush with the body, and that provides over a 3-inch difference.
So obviously we're talking about the functional difference with the taillight, because obviously the factory ones are easy to break, they stick way out. This fits better, it provides a function, but they look way better too. Tell us about the design here.
Yeah, so we designed the flush mount taillights. They were very popular for the Jeep market, and we decided to carry those over to the Bronco with the same signature styling.
Now, what about these as far as, are these direct replacement? Because it's flush. I don't know how much room's back there. Is there any modification, or are these going to be a direct swap for your big bend in your base model?
That's a great question. So these require no modification. They are a direct fit plug and play design for the base model Bronco.
And one of the cool things about this, at least in our opinion, is CJ's will have an exclusive on these for the first batch made. So if you want a set, we're going to be the place to get them.